If I remove it, I put my hand there, you could see that it's not hot at all. But the moment I put it right back, within seconds, it goes right back to boiling water.
This company specializes in induction. So I'm going to introduce RamenCooker today from Pieceworld, Korea. It only takes about 4 minutes to cook your ramen perfectly. It can be used like a home, office, school, anywhere, like even the restaurant. It's called RamenCooker, but you can cook anything else here. One machine, do everything. The second model is called a rotation cooker. So when you come back home from your office, like you're tired, so you just cut all the ingredients and all the sauce into the bucket, close the lid, press the button to start cooking for you.
So this particular one has the air induction system with the exhaust over here. What this does is eliminates anybody from getting the upper hood and they have to get permits and whatnot for it. Everything's filtered through here into this air induction system, which only has to be cleaned every 3 months. It does not have to be changed. If you remove this pan that it's being cooked on at 250 degrees and touch it, it's not hot at all. Transferring over from the commercial side tables to the individual tables that you could set up at your house. This is more of a smart table. Any countertop or any table that you have at home, you could convert it into a smart table. You could have any accessory on here, whether it's a pot, pan, a wok. So we have the boiling water at 250 degrees right now. If I remove it, I could put my hand there and you could see that it's not hot at all. But the moment I put it right back, within seconds, it goes right back to boiling water. If you're interested in the tables, whether it's the residential or the commercial, they're exclusively available at Bell Upholstery and available for shipping worldwide, countrywide. If you mention the Hall Guide, you'll also receive 10% off your order.